enter the URL Lvbu to enter the official website. Click Language to switch languages. Click Products to enter the product interface. Click on a product will take you to the product details page. Scroll down to view product specifications, details, as well as manuals and product videos. The official website offers a limited time discount of $50. Click and fill in your name and email address to get the coupon code. You can select your country or region here. Choose the product specifications, size, and the color you want. Click Add to Cart to add it to your shopping cart. You can click View Cart to browse your cart. Enter the coupon code and the system will automatically apply the discount. If you want to purchase other products or accessories, you can return to the product page to add name to your cart. Click Proceed to Checkout to go to the Order Checkout page. Please fill in detailed shipping information on this page, including your name, address, email, and phone number to ensure we can deliver the goods to the correct address. If you have any additional notes, you can include them in the note selection. Click Submit to Pay to go to the payment page. You can choose to pay via PayPal or bank transfer. Let's say your order has been successfully placed. We will arrange production and shipping immediately after receiving your order. If you found this video helpful, please follow us and give a like to this video.